Model, 2017 Fiat Fiorino Bipper Nemo 16v Multijet SA 12 months MOT low mileage no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 83,653. MOT, the 8th of March 2026. Engine, 1248 cc 199A 9000, E5, Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, 12 months MOT, wind-up windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on